Hello everyone, welcome back. We have already discussed a few parts of the paper in the first three videos. So this is the fourth video that we are going to make, and we are going to discuss about the Indian society and culture in this video. This is the fourth part, that is society and culture. Now, from in this video we will start again with the solving of the questions. So question number 91. The current chairperson of National Human Rights Commission is this is the question. The current chairperson of National Human Rights Commission is, as you know, we have four options here. So the first option for this is Mr. Justice H.L. Dattu. Second option is Justice R.C. Ghosh. Third option, Justice P.C. Pant. Fourth option, Justice K.G. Balakrishnan. So the correct option is C, Justice P.C. Pant. This is the correct option. Coming to the next question, question number 92. Now, after the finishing of this, we will proceed to the next question, that is question number 92. Lothal is a place in Gujarat widely known for. Now you must have heard the place Lothal in our history books or so when we were in schools. So that is the reference here. So the first option is archaeological excavations. Second option, biodiversity. Third option, seismic activity. Fourth option, salt making. So the correct answer is A, archaeological excavations. Archaeological excavations, sorry. Now coming to the next question, question number 93. The last caste census conducted in colonial India was in. Now what is caste census? You all know the meaning of census. But caste census is census based on, or a census which is made on the basis of caste. You know, in previous times, in the times of British rule, and so caste was very important at that time. So the first option is 1911, second 1941, third is 1921, and the fourth option is 1931. So the correct answer here is option D, that is 1931. As I was saying, this is colonial India in the previous times. Question 94. Fraternal polyandry was widely practiced among the following tribes. First option is Gonds, second Santhals. Third option is Bhils. And the last option is Todas. So the correct answer is Todas. That is option number D. Todas are basically found in various places nowadays, mainly in the Himachal region they are found, but they are spread to various other places also in the present times. Now coming to the next question, question number 95. Pipli is a village in Orissa known for its Many of us must already know this village called Pipli, which is really very famous. So the options is first applic art, B stone carving, C brass sculpture, and D silver figure. So the obvious answer to this is applic art, applic craft, which is the option A. With this being done, I'll proceed on to the next question. I'll erase this. Question number 96. Article 352 of the Constitution deals with firstly, official language of the states. Second, National Commission for the Scheduled Caste. Third option is separation of judiciary from the executive. And the fourth option is national emergency. So the correct answer is option D, national emergency. Okay. So this article deals with the national emergency in our country, which is India. So since we are doing questions from this section, so such a question is very evident. Next, coming to question 97. V. Sukhthankar was instrumental in V. Sukhthankar was instrumental in, now you must have, many of you must have heard his name, instrumental in preparing a critical edition of what are the options? Many of us must already know about his works. So the first is Mahabharata, second is Ramayana, third Bhagavad Gita, and the fourth option is Rig Veda. So the correct answer to this is Mahabharata, which is option A. Mahabharata. Coming to the next question, question number 98. Chauri Chaura incident is closely associated with Now this is the time we are talking before independence in the times of Mahatma Gandhi. The first option is Khilafat movement, second option Salt Satyagraha, third option non-cooperation movement, and the fourth option is none of the others. So coming to history, remembering of our school level history, definitely the option is option C, non-cooperation movement. This answer was very common and known to many of us, so this was not a very difficult one. Coming to the next question, 99. Iravatam Mahadevan, let me write down his name. The person's name is Iravatam Mahadevan. Is a well-known scholar in Iravatam Mahadevan is a well-known scholar in many of us must already know this. He is famous for his works that he has done. Firstly, Sanskrit grammar. Second, Tamil literature. Third, epigraphy. And fourth is Indology. So the correct option is B, Tamil literature. Tamil literature. Coming to the next question, 100. Vishakha guidelines are related to Now, what are Vishakha guidelines? These are special guidelines related, given in our constitution. The first is workplace caste discrimination. Second, workplace sexual harassment. Third option is domestic violence. And the fourth option is workplace equal opportunity. So, this is option B, that is workplace sexual harassment. These were not introduced in our constitution but lately just now. Next question. Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics belongs to which period? Which period? Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics belongs to which period? Now this was long before, so you can relate the centuries then. So the first option to this question is A, 8th to 10th century, B, 12th to 14th century, C, 14th to 16th century, and D, 10th to 12th century. So the correct answer is C, that is 14th to 16th century. I will erase this so I can proceed on to the next question. Next question, 102. Verrier Elwin the British scholar who lived in India, Verrier Elwin, the British scholar who lived in India, is remembered for his contribution in the field of first, anthropology, B, history, C, Sanskrit literature, and D, archaeology. So the correct option is A, anthropology. Coming to question number 103, which is the next one. 103. So you can imagine British scholar coming to India and become an expert in anthropology. Next question. Subaltern studies refers to an intellectual movement in. Subaltern studies refers to an intellectual movement in, firstly, sociology, second option, English literature, third option, history, fourth option, anthropology. So definitely it will be none other than A, sociology. Because it is related to society and so other things. So we will choose the option sociology. The next question, 104. Buddha and his Dhamma is written by. You must have heard about this book, but let me say you the options that is given here. A. Prakash Ambedkar, B. M.K. Gandhi, C. Arundhati Roy, and D is none of the options. The correct option is D, none of the other options. Why? Because this book is written by B.R. Ambedkar. So we haven't chosen any of the answers because the correct answer was B.R. Ambedkar. Coming to the next question. Question number 105. The ancient University of Takshila Now, in the question, the spelling was Takshila. You can even pronounce it as Taxila. Is located near the present city of. The ancient University of Takshila is located near the present city of. First option Delhi, second option Ahmedabad, third option Karachi, fourth option Islamabad. Now the correct option is D, Islamabad. Actually, Taxila is 32 kilometers northwest of Islamabad. Okay. Islamabad. Next question. Question number 106. I hope this much is clear. So then we will proceed on to the next part, which is question number 106. You can take a screenshot of this. Now the next question. Forest Rights Act of 2006 is intended to. Forest Rights Act of 2006 is intended to A. Ensure the ensure the states over forest. B. Relocate forest dwellers to outside. C. Secure the rights of forest dwelling tribals. And D. None of the others. So the correct option is C, that is secure the rights of forest dwelling tribals. Okay. Now coming to question number 107. Tomb of Salim Chisti is situated in Tomb of Salim Chisti is situated in first option Ajmer, second option Fatehpur Sikri, third option Lucknow, fourth option Hyderabad. This is a very common question. We must have seen it while visiting the place. The option is Fatehpur Sikri. That is option B. Coming to the next question, 108. The word queer is associated with the word queer the word queer is associated with first option religious identity, fourth option ethnic identity, third option religious identity, and fourth option none of the above options. So the correct option is D, that is none of the other options. Okay, so the correct option is D, that is none of the other questions. You can take a screenshot of this. We have completed the fourth section, that is relating to society and culture. I hope the video was clear enough. You have understood. These were very direct questions. No such explanation or anything was required. Only a little bit of knowledge relating to history and society. And that's all. So I hope this part was clear. In the next video, we will discuss the next part. So thank you for watching this. Keep following the next video. Thank you.